Hey there.
Hi.
San Francisco?
Yeah.
Pier 39?
Yeah.
We're going to try one of those self-driving autonomous cars, Waymo.
Waymo.
We're really just taking it just to take it. We don't need, we could walk faster but we still got to wait 10 minutes.
And it's going to cost us like $13.
Yeah.
When are you ever going to do a self-driving car?
Well,
This is it.
maybe 10 years in the future.
Maybe.
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 Bye.
Bye.
Oh, this is a nice
Oh, it's a Jaguar.
Yeah.
I wonder if I crashed into one of these.
And you unlocked it? Okay. I'm going to squeeze in.
Good afternoon, Holly.
Good afternoon.
Konnichiwa.
Please close all doors. As we get going, just give us 1 minute to cover a few riding tips. This experience may feel futuristic, but the need to buckle up is the same as always. So keep your seatbelt fastened, please.
Yes.
If you're traveling with little ones or expecting, please see the seatback card for more information. We'll do all the driving, so please don't touch the steering wheel or pedals during your ride.
Why would I
We
do
may
that?
use interior cameras to check on riders, improve our product, and more. But our microphones are only on when you're connected to rider support. So sing your heart out.
Woo!
We can't hear you.
Hi.
You can also use the app
Hi.
or passenger screen to speak to a rider support agent at any time. In the rare case of an emergency, please keep your seatbelt fastened and remain in the car unless there's an urgent need
Oh,
to exit.
did he do that?
Rider support will connect with
Oh.
you and provide assistance.
It's crazy. It's
Finally,
backed up.
relax and thank you for riding with us.
Jaguar, can you honk at them?
No, I can't hear you.
I know, but
Well, can you change the music? Do you
no,
wave us?
he's not waving us yet. This is quite the tourist attraction.
It's quite the tour. You're back on your way. Pull over. Like you're gonna turn off. You hit that and then it'll pull over.
Maybe.
Can you change the music?
Oh, you can.
Ooh.
EDM.
No. Pop?
No.
Jazz? Ooh, Disney hits.
No Disney hits.
Disney hits. Robots driving.
Pull down the window. It's not that expensive. You should try it.
Hi. Hi. About our San Francisco weekend?
Maybe.
Here, please make sure vehicle approaching.
You gotta do it twice.
Yep.
Bye, lady. Well, that was fun.